Music's a little loud. It's better. Alright. So we are making a tower defense game today, but there's this snake game that's actually like really, really good. And I want to play it a little bit. This is probably one of the best games on Core. But after I play this for a little bit, I'm going to go back to the tower defense game. I did a lot of work, or I mean, it wasn't a lot of work, but I made a lot of progress. Actually, today, I basically made it so that buying and selling and upgrading towers costs currency, which is pretty cool. Fuck! Ah! The squeak noise you make when you die is so funny. Alright, last try. The noise they make when they die is adorable. Oh! I killed him! Dang! I didn't think that would kill him. That's he got screwed there, not gonna lie. But yeah, you can actually jump in this game, which is really cool. Dang. This game's great. Oh, I'm in first place now. The first place guy must have died. I'm just gonna hang out in this area. Maybe guard the portal. There's a lot of stuff spawning here. Ooh, kind of want to go on the offense though. I just got the fire ability. These guys are trying to kill me. I don't like the look of this. This is fun though. Oh, well. You know how it is. Oh, that guy's huge. Oh my gosh. That guy's massive. Oh, that's the second place guy. He's looking to kill me. Oh, I died. He got me. All right. Oh, shit. And now we get to work. Yeah, your tail doesn't hurt you. It's interesting. But what does hurt you is jumping directly onto the enemy. So. All right, let's get back to my game. It's funny, like, I actually, so check this out. I recently implemented currency pickup. So you have your currency, well, okay. You have your currency number, like, value in the top, and here's some pickups right here. And it's like the same kind of thing. They fly towards you and then you pick it up. I implemented mine before I even saw the snake one, which is kind of funny. Here, let's move this a little bit. But check this out. So every time an enemy dies, they drop stuff. They're not gonna drop currency if, well, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I could have the enemies just like stay at the goal and continuously hit it. And if I do that, then they're not gonna die after they hit it. But yeah, so I made a nice little currency pickup thing. But what I want to show is when you buy towers, it deducts the currency. When you upgrade towers, it not only deducts the currency, but it actually, like, the price goes up, and then you've hit the max level, and then you can sell. I calculate what the sell should be based on basically half, or I think I made it 70% of the money you've spent overall. So you can sell, and then you get your currency back, and it destroys the tower. So that's what I've been working on today, I think. It's working pretty well. Hey, Olsen. They look like you with no food running. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you there. Oh, is this the fridge? I couldn't think of a goal, so I just plopped down a radio. All the art is... You still want a league stream? Maybe we could do that. Probably not. I wanna do some work on this, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe Mother's Day league stream. But yeah, so this is where we're at right now. I'm still not super happy with what the UI looks like, but we can fix that later. Yo, you played Clash and won all 3. Dang. Does that mean you win something, or? Now, these pickups are networked, and which basically makes them laggy if there's too many. And I don't know what I should do about that. Really not sure. But I want you to be able to, like, share the currency with the other players. So actually I can show you that. Cool. Dang. Nice job. So if I put one player here. Oh. And if I put the other player here. Notice how they don't both go to both players. It's just whichever player's closer, right? Because they're networked. So they're shared between all the clients. So like if I went really close with this one, interesting. It's interesting how a lot are still going to this guy. But yeah, so that's what I did. So I'm making multiplayer. I'm balancing it basically. Because like, what are the alternatives? Like, you could make it so that basically when you kill something, all the players get the currency, but I don't know, that sounds really hard to balance. So it's going to drop the same amount of currency, but like it's just split among the players. And then I could possibly implement a way to like transfer currency between players, because like let's say one player is like one currency, I'm saying currency because I don't know what to call it yet, one gem away from being able to purchase something. One of the other players could give them it. Okay, but yeah, we are ready to deal damage to the enemies. So that's exciting. We have the skeleton enemy. How do we want to do health bar display? All right, we have text. There has to be a better way, though. There has to be a better way. I'm gonna see what other people have made. My hopes are not high. All right, but there has to be something. Interesting. So I'm gonna search health bar. I want it to be in the scene, though. We got this. I mean, how hard could it actually be? I think we're gonna make it ourselves. How? I'm not sure yet, but let's see. So let's just try to make like a customizable health bar object. I'm going to create a new group, and this is going to be called health bar in scene. Okay, and in this group, we need some stuff. What do we need? See, now my music's too quiet. Okay. We need... Let's go to UI elements. See, now it's too loud. Okay. There's world text. There has to be other stuff, though. Right? If I do UI image, can we make this can we put this into the world? I don't think we can. No, you definitely can't. What about this container? Content type, dynamic static texture. I'm not sure that's what I want either. There's world text. Is that all I have to work with? Crap. How? I mean, there's this health bar, but I don't think this is in the world. How are we gonna do this? How can we display the health of the enemies? I guess one thing we could do, oh man, I'm not sure even how we could do this, but it would all be on screen and the size of it would change. Oh, maybe that's what we have to, oh, that would be trippy. It's all on screen and the size of it and position would change depending on where the camera was. Would that work? I guess that's what I want, and it would always be facing the camera because it would be on screen. Or we just do a number, or we just display it as a number. I mean, that would definitely be the easiest. There's UI textures. Can we put this in scene? No. No, we can't. There's no way. Static? All right, let me look it up. Let's see if I can find anything. I think it's called in-world health bar. This is not in the world. I think we just do a number. That sucks. All right. We're going to do a number because I don't really know what else to do. So we have our health display, and then we have the display, and it's right here. And where do I set that? Do I set it here? Oh no, oh, right now it's hard-coded. No. Wait. Where am I setting it? Well, now I'm really confused because I have it set to 500-500 or something like that. Ah, there it is. Current health, max health. I just want to display the current health, honestly. Let's just display the current health. And every time it changes, see, okay, so let's start working on this. We're in the enemy manager right now. Every time the health changes, I want to update this display, basically. Function alter change health. Take damage and then amount. Okay? Take damage, amount, and I mean, do we play a different animation? I'd be okay with that. Just like super quickly. Hey, Rick. Make the enemies a bullet sponge? Some will be. Some will be. We can play an animation. This is actually what I want to do. So we take damage. We have current health right here. We set the current health equal to current health minus the amount. We play an animation. I want to broadcast an event, or no. What I want to do is update. I want to update. So right here, this is updating the health display. So function update health display. Yo, Morgan. And Hyper Dude. Thanks for the raid, Morgan. I really appreciate it. Cap. You go by Cap. You go by Cap. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. How was your stream? How was your stream? And yeah, Hyper Dude, we learned Lua, and that's what we're working with. Okay, function update health display. And this will, I mean, it's going to update the health display, right? I don't want. I mean, yeah, there's the max health. Then there's current health. We initialize current health to max health. And then update health display is just this. So let's just do that here. Do you know Lua, Hyper? Current health string, max health string. Oh. Well, I don't care about max health anymore, so let's just put this in here. Okay, so update health display, we'll call this, which literally just sets the text equal to the current health. We will call this function every time the health changes. So let's just call this change health, because you could be adding health to the enemy. Maybe one of the enemies are healing another. So function change health. Update health display, play an animation. So, okay, we only want to play this damage animation if you're taking damage. So, let's add the amount, actually, and we'll pass in a negative number. But if amount is less than 0, so you're taking damage, then we're going to do something. Specifically play the hit animation. And let's see what the animations are. There's a stance and a play on start. So this is basically all the animations. The stance is kind of like a repeated animation, but these are all the just like generic animations. Is there like a damaged, unarmed react damage? Is there like a way I can test this? Okay. Playback rate maybe a little bit faster. It's kind of dumb that the max is 3, but I wish the max could be higher. Let's do 2. Okay. I like that. So let's get rid of that, obviously, because we don't want it to play on start. We want it to play when we tell it to play, which is right here. Play animation this. Oh, I forgot. So I forgot this is how I had to do it. So I had to do it through a networked custom property, because the server, which is what this is running on, can't just tell the mesh to play an animation. It has to play on the client. So what I did, yeah, right here. I connected, so prop mesh networked property event, property changed event, play animation. And I pass in the property name. Okay, how did I do this? So, oh, right here. Okay, right here. And then I'm passing in the animation. Okay, that actually makes sense. That actually makes sense. So, play animation, animation name, local animation name equals, and then I'm just getting the custom property. That's kind of cool how I did that. All right, that makes sense. I wish the script could just tell it to play the animation, but again, the server can't just tell the client to do things easily. Threw you off when I use Visual Studio? Yeah, yep. You've been working in C#? Cool. You're gonna subscribe to a Python course? Nice. Python's pretty, it shouldn't be too bad. Coding like this does not look fun. What? It's so much fun. I have so much control. I can do whatever I want. At least I had some kind of order and managed to add my own names and some things. What do you mean? Oh, your teacher writing in Java in the last class was a mess. That's not fun. Good job, past Acer. Yeah, I know, right? What's up, Yoshi? No, it's okay. Your third-person game aims, shoots at target, but projectiles are slightly off. Okay, so I have a template that the projectiles are dead on. So if you want to check that template out, I would highly recommend it. I don't totally remember what it's called, but let me check. Oh wow. Oh, this is the Kind of Funny Games video. I was gonna say they're just putting YouTubers' videos up, but no, that's a big YouTuber, big boy YouTuber. Is mine in here? I don't even think mine's in here. I don't even know what it's called, honestly. Let's try to find it. It would be under remixable. I don't even see my remixable. Jesus Christ. All right, hold on. It'd be in this. So we're looking for third person shoot. Here it is. Okay, this is what you want. Good luck. Good luck. So play animation, unarmed, react damage. Okay. So yeah, no problem. Thanks for asking. And then we have this. Yep, it just starts with that. Yep. Okay. This makes sense. Oh. Play animation. How I want to set the speed to 2 if possible. Play animation. How do I set the speed? Here we go. Play animation table parameters, and some of the parameters are start position, playback rate, right here. Playback rate. Table parameters. So this is the table. So it's called playback rate. I don't even think that's right. Playback rate with a... Yeah, it is right. Wow. And then I think it's just equals. And if we just put 2... but the problem is that it'll be 2 for every single animation. And we're putting multiple animations through this function. I want to be able to, like, set it. So function play animation, it takes in the core object and the property name. I mean, I have a custom networked property right here. Could I also pass through the speed of the animation instead of just the name? Where do I set this? Right here. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's de-instance this. Let's go to here and add a custom property, and this is going to be a float, and this is going to be animation speed. Okay, and we're going to just leave it blank right now. Okay, I guess we can't. And we're going to set, enable property networking. Okay, so there's play animation and animation speed. I guess we can default it to 1. So now, here, in addition to setting this to a number, or to an animation name, we're going to set, or actually, we should set the speed first. We're going to set animation speed to 2. Okay. Yeah, you can't just set property. You can't just set normal custom properties. They have to be networked. All right. This is fine. And then what about this one? What about this speed? Let's set this speed to 1. Let's keep it to 1. All right. Now, back in the animation handler, we're not only trying to get, so see animation name, we also want to get animation speed, and this is going to, we need to get the custom property of why? Oh, I see. So whenever the networked property is changed, whenever any networked property is changed, it gets passed into here. And then if the property name is play animation, then it does this. So it doesn't matter though. So we're trying to get the custom property of animation speed. So let's get that. We're changing both of these, and they're both networked or whatever. And they will both trigger this function, but only play animation will trigger this code because of this. So if the property name that changes is play animation, we get the animation name, which is, I mean, we could just do this, honestly. So get custom property. Yeah, let's just do that. It makes more sense. And then we're getting the play animation property, which is the it should be called animation name, honestly, but whatever. And then the animation speed. Then play animation, and then we're actually playing the animation. Animation name, playback rate is animation speed. All right. And this is called, when is this called? Whenever the health is changed. So we can't even test this yet. Let's make one of the towers deal damage. So let's update, hopefully it works. Well, I mean, let's just update it. Oh, don't want to do multiplayer. Let's just try it. And I mean, nothing, it should never trigger, so it should still just work perfectly fine. Hey, Alpha. What would you say your game is at its core? I mean, do you actually want to know, or are you just trolling? That's for free aim. I want it to lock on. Currently using a tag on an enemy and look at rotator on your character. I mean, yeah, I guess you can make my system lock on. You would just have to take control of the camera rig, basically. What's up, Cap? Don't tell me you took that cereal, oh no. What? Oh, are you talking about my little pickups? Oh, took that seriously. Is that that's what you mean? That's what you mean. Are you talking about Alpha's thing? I know Alpha's joking. Oh, I'm 100%. Of course, obviously Alpha's joking, but I mean, I'm just wondering if he actually wants me to answer that, as well as him being a funny guy. Why? Wait, did you think I actually thought he was being serious? Come on. Well then you're the one that, oh my god. Oh boy. Okay. Jesus Christ. So we need towers to deal damage. Yeah, well, at its core, it's a customized tower. Yeah, well, it's that, but it's multiplayer. It's going to be multiplayer, and you're going to have like a loadout. You're going to have a tower loadout, which means you can't take all the towers in with you at the same time. So you're incentivized to work together as a team. Yeah, Dungeon Defenders. Yeah, exactly. I'm taking inspiration from that as well. Although I don't think I'm gonna make there be like attacking the enemies. I don't know. It feels like the players rely on that too much. But it does give you something to do. So I'm conflicted. I am conflicted, but it's fine. So we're gonna make Test Tower 2. It's a lot easier to make this one deal damage because it's literally just a zone. This one I have to like have a projectile and it has to aim and it has to shoot it. So whatever. So I want this one to deal damage. And how am I gonna do that? Can the blades hit both sides of the wall in the middle there? It shouldn't. the wall in the middle. Are you saying this? Are you saying, like, can it reach both of them? Yeah. I mean, what you can do is just, like, do something like that. Like this. I mean, I guess it depends on where the enemies are going to be running, right? Because, like, if an enemy takes the inside path, it might be able to hit on both sides. The line from the start to end. Are you talking about, like, here? Yeah. Yeah, probably not. It's looking like a no. I don't know why I'm selling these towers. Okay. How are we not sure the hitboxes are? I'm not either. We're gonna make them right now. Although the skeleton hitbox is this. This is the skeleton's hitbox, and it just came with it. So test tower 2. Tower editing. Tower editing. I never did anything with this. This is literally a blank script. I didn't need this. I kept the script outside of it. So I'm actually, can I repurpose this? Tower damaging? Tower, or would that be in the tower manager? No, this is gonna be, yeah, tower damaging. And in here, we're not gonna do that script, de-instance and delete. What we're gonna do is, oh, is this client too? What if I put something in this? Is it gonna be client? I want to make a trigger. Can I get a trigger? Can I get a trigger? Yes, I can. Yeah, this is a client folder. This should absolutely not be on the client. So let's just delete that entire thing. But before we do anything else, I need to go into my scripts. There was tower editing. Yeah, this script is literally blank, and I don't want it, so we're gonna delete it. It's not being used.
Baby. Hello.
Hey, babe.
Oh, I thought you were gonna play Worm Game.
We played it a little bit.
Well, do I get to play it?
Hey, Jay, what's up? I don't want you raging on stream.
What? Raging against those 12-year-olds.
Yep.
Okay, but the 2 times I died when I was king were unfair.
Yeah, actually, I watched you die. It was actually quite unfair.
Smell this.
It smells alcohol-y.
It's literally just raspberry.
Wait, there's not alcohol in it?
I mean, there's raspberry vodka. I just wanted to try it. I'm actually making really good progress on my biostats project.
Cool.
I'm 4 out of 5 questions down.
Nice.
And then I made myself laugh because the last question I was reading through it, and it was like, share your thoughts on blah 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 blah, and I was like, my thoughts? My thoughts? I don't have any thoughts.
I don't have any original thoughts.
My mind is empty. Hey Jay.
Where is this trigger? Oh, there it is.
Sergio.
Okay, how do I want to do this? I kind of want the trigger to only damage when the blades hit. Is that extra? I don't know.
Oh,
but
hi, Boom.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, okay.
Ryan, get me a shirt that says Sergio on it, and I'll wear it when I'm on stream.
I don't believe you. All right.
I will.
Sergio.
Or like a name tag or something.
We don't want this to be too high. I guess we do that. Because if we have flying units, this should not hit flying units. So, yeah. Can we make this rotate is the question.
Did you not see Captain Morgan redeem 10 clapping push-ups?
I didn't. Why didn't I hear? Wait, where? No, he didn't.
No, it says it right there. I can't believe you didn't see the thing
If-
pop up on your screen.
If you redeemed it, it would look like this. And it would make a noise. Yeah, all right. All right.
Okay.
And I'm not doing that one
I
for the
think
record.
your streams just glitched.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, that was pretty funny. I feel like you owe him push-ups
You
now.
were the okay. All right.
Don't worry, Captain Morgan. I got your back.
You
Okay.
You do the
Owen
push-ups.
redeemed 10 normal push-ups. Have fun, baby.
You do them.
No, why should I do them?
Get out of my way. Thanks, Rick. All right, let me do them really quick. Let's do some push-ups. Push-ups are push-ups. Don't matter from who. Yeah, exactly. All right, can we do this? I want you to do all of them. Oh, there's a bag of garbage that needs to be taken out.
Oh, that's just Ryan. That's Ryan out there. He's the bag of garbage, actually. Ryan, I didn't know you had a twin.
Yeah.
Look at him go. Now do real ones.
Okay.
Do real ones with your elbows in.
I don't care. That's all I got. All right. Okay. Used to do 150 in a stream. Oh my god. Wait, how? Are you like freaking jacked? What the hell? That's amazing. We have models. Okay, so we have the models. So we want is basically, actually we want this entire thing to rotate. It'll change depending on the tower, but I mean, I guess we want both of these things to rotate. Maybe there's some issues with doing the trigger rotating, so we're not going to do that. There's some issues because the enemies are going to be moving, and the enemies could potentially get hit by it twice when it shouldn't. So we're just going to do a sphere. More specifically, a capsule. I wish they had cylinders, but they don't. How is this not? Oh, okay. I was like, what's going on? I needed to increase the height of it. I guess we don't want a capsule. I mean, the problem with this is that it needs to be this big, right? But we don't want it to go up so high. I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine. We'll have to prevent flying ones getting hit by this some other way. So this is fine. All right. Tower damaging. Yep. And then we've got this trigger. Do we need this in its own folder? I mean, we're just gonna put it in the tower manager, right? Oh, but okay, so the thing is, this tower manager script is shared, so I have to be careful about that. We're gonna have to have a unique script for, yeah, so we're gonna have to have a unique script for each tower, I believe. What happens if it's supposed to hit the skeleton? So the way I'm implementing it now, it doesn't matter how many times the blade hits. It's just going to be a giant trigger, and if anything's in it, it gets hit. It just makes more sense from a game design standpoint. This isn't supposed to be real. I just thought it would be a cool touch if it worked the way I was describing earlier, but it would cause too many issues. Okay, so we have a trigger. This is for tower damaging. Do we need, I mean, do the towers do anything else? I mean, I don't even want to put this in a folder. So it'll change per tower, but for this tower, it's just a single trigger. So I want damage. I'm going to call it damage trigger. It's not how that's spelled. Okay. Damage trigger. And what else do I want? I want to create a script. So create script. And this is going to be called, I kind of want to think of a name for this tower, but I mean, right now I can just name it test tower 2, but this is going to be like, I don't want to call it the slicer, because that, I want the names to be unique, different than that. The grinder. No, okay, I need some inspiration. Dungeon Defenders Towers. I just want to see what they're called. Let's look up. Whoa, okay. So this guy's towers, they're all called beam. Tower buff beam. Proton beam, reflection beam, physical beam, shock beam. What about this guy's towers? And these are all traps. Darkness trap, gas trap, proximity mine trap, inferno trap. What about this guy? These are all auras. Okay. Enrage aura, strength aura, ensnare aura. What about this? And these are all just towers. Lightning tower, magic missile tower, fireball tower, magic blockade. Did I miss one? I think I did. Okay, and these are blockades and turrets. Harpoon turret, mortar turret, spike blockade, bowling ball turret. Interesting, interesting. The flesh ripper, oh, that's good. But like, I'm thinking, so like, you know how in Crystal Meg Tower Defense, it was like Blaster, Slicer, Freezer, like Flesh Ripper, etc. Like, I kind of want them to be like actual names instead of something they do. You know what I mean? Like, so like a name that doesn't end in ER, I guess. Slice and Dice Blockade. I mean, that's what I'm making. Jester Towers. What the hell? Name them after Greek gods. Zeus theme. Okay. I mean, now I'm curious. What did I name my own towers? Did I even... Oh, I didn't even finish... Okay, hold on. Did I... Okay, this is update 1. This is update 2. I guess we'll do this. Oh my god, yeah, I made a freaking, like... Project Spark was crazy. Oh, this... Look at the tower. Oh, that's great. Okay, yeah, so in this one, sprayer, launcher, zapper, freezer. Oh, I called it the slasher. So I did the same thing, and I kind of, the Pika Ripper, what the hell, dude? They're all named Acer. Jesus. Oh boy, 1 second, I want to check up on this. I'm printing something. It's coming out pretty well. Thanks, Jay.
I have an impy. You probably don't. You might get one next year. You probably won't. You hear that, Acer? And I'm talking to you. Getting nominated is nice, but it just won't do. Why watch him when you can watch me? Only one of us has won an MP. One last thing I'd like to assert. Go to twitch.tv and unfollow Acert.
I mean, I guess I should just do Test Tower 2 for now. But eventually I need to figure out some sort of theme. So Tower, and by the way, Tower Manager is like generic, right? It like updates the base. Actually that's all it does right now, but so really it's not even Tower Manager, it's just Base Manager. But the this script is specifically for Test Tower 2. And so this Test Tower 2, I mean, I guess I'll call it Manager, or yeah, that's because that's what it does. It manages Test Tower 2. I want it to have access to, I mean, I guess all the models. So the blades can like spin. And the trigger. So let's go back into this. Not yet. So it needs to know when to attack. I guess first off we have like a rotation speed, and let's start the rotation speed at, I mean, I guess we can just default it. Oh, this script is going to be kind of annoying. So basically, I want it to just slowly rotate, and then when an enemy gets in range, it speeds up, right? Was Project Spark like this? Project Spark, yeah, it was like this, but with less assets and no coding. It was like a visual coding. It was interesting. It wasn't like Dreams. It was more similar to real coding than Dreams, actually, but it was still like a visual thing. But this is built like on top of Unreal Engine. The core is just, core is basically a better Project Spark combined with Roblox. Play my core game to the channel points. I mean, if you redeem Play My Dreams game, it's basically the same thing. I should just rename it to Play My Game, honestly. Okay, so, you know what? Let's just keep it simple right now. We're not even going to rotate things. We're just going to focus on the damage. So we do need a function tick. I don't know how we're going to use that yet, but I know we need it. We have the trigger. We need to connect to the trigger. What? Begin overlap? I kind of just want to constantly get the objects, but I don't think that's a good idea to run constantly. So basically every time something enters it and every time something exits it. But we can't do that because what if someone places it right here and the enemies literally spawn and start inside of it? It would never trigger. I think every tick we need to just read all of the overlapping objects. Oh, we have is overlapping. But no, it's the objects matter as well. This feels really bad though. I feel like we should do it through an event. I'm gonna do it this way though. So we don't need this. Basically, oh, actually we did need that, but basically we get the trigger and we call get overlapping objects. And So 4. The count doesn't matter. We'll call it O. In I pairs. This is like, to make a for loop, it's so weird, but this is what you have to do. What am I forgetting? Do, I believe. So now it's going to go through every overlapping object, okay? And each overlapping object of this trigger is called O. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We're looking for... Get the eyelash out of my mouth. We're looking for... What are we looking for? We're looking for hitbox. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're looking for team 2. That's what we're looking for, which are enemies. And interact with trigger is off. We're going to turn that on. And we're going to update. So this enemy is team 2. Okay. Local activated damaging on enemy in range. Local enemy in range equals false. If anything in the zone, so if any of these, if O dot team, is that what I need? Is that just how I get the team? Animated core mesh, I guess. Yeah, it's just, yep, it's a property. So O.team equals 2. Then we're going to make enemy in range true. And then end. Now, there's one more thing we need to do, though. Every time we start this... Actually, let's just put this... Hold on. So function... is enemy in range. Local result equals false. We're going to default the result to false. And if any enemy in this trigger, if anything in this trigger is a team 2, we set the result to true. And at the end of this for loop, we return the result. So whenever we call this function, it returns true or false based on if anything in this trigger is of team 2. Okay. So now, enemy in range, every single tick, enemy in range equals is enemy in range. So this is a really neat way to do it. All right, so now what? If there's an enemy in range, if this is true, we need to start damaging. We need to actually damage these things. So, function deal damage enemies in range. Same loop. We're looping through everything in overlapping, and if it's team 2, this doesn't make sense. What are we gonna do? We're going to do something. We need to go to we need to find this enemy manager, right? So, and then we want to do change health. Okay, so how do we find this enemy manager? We're sensing this mesh. How do we get enemy manager from this mesh? Carefully, I guess. Right? Because we're sensing, yeah, we're sensing this mesh. Yeah, this is, you can't even sense like a group with a trigger. But you can sense a mesh with a trigger. Okay. I think I want to get its parent and then get the parent's child. I don't think you can get something like adjacent to it in the hierarchy. So, local enemy manager. Although what we could do is just add it as a custom property. That would be easy. Why not? Let's de-instance. I mean, yeah. I don't see a reason why not. So, bam. It is now a custom property. Enemy manager. So let's update the template. And I have the mesh, right? O is that humanoid mesh. So now local enemy manager equals o.get custom property. I don't think it's dot. I think it's colon. Get custom property. And then I don't remember. I did it somewhere. Get custom string property name. Yep, that's what I thought. And then it's just enemy manager. Right? Yeah. So now I have the enemy manager of this specific thing. What am I going to do? Enemy manager dot context dot, what is it? Change health. Change health. Dot context dot change health. Okay, now we're in the test tower 2 script. What is the damage of this tower? How do we, so we have this, which is a custom property, but I don't like how I've done this because I can't change this. I can't change this number in code. So, this one too. And what if I upgrade the tower? This has to change. So the fact that I have damage and attacks per second here does not make any sense. Tower ID and name never change. So the fact that they're a custom property makes sense. So how do I want to do this? Instead, we could put it in the tower manager, but not all towers have damage. So I think we put the damage in here. I don't see why not. So we have local damage in that equals. Oh, you know what? It needs to be a table. It needs to be a table, and then it has to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. And each upgrade, like, so this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, etc. So maybe we do like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just so it's not literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then like, what about local attacks per second? I mean, I guess it depends. But for this specific tower, I don't want to change the attacks per second. I might want to change the range though, but we'll worry about that later. So right now we just have a damage table, and let's see. So we're changing. So we need, this script needs to know the current level of the tower, and that's under tower manager. And I believe we can get level like this. Okay, great. So this needs access to the tower manager. And now we have it. So prop tower manager. Yeah, so enemy manager, context, change health. What's the health? How much health are we dealing? How much damage are we dealing? So it's going to be damage, and then we need to get the level of the tower to index into this table. So damage, and then what level is it? It's going to be prop tower manager dot context dot get level, and let's just do local tower level equals this. I'm just doing this so it's more readable. So there you go. So we get the tower level, and it indexes into this table. All right, where I'm changing the health, and this should be negative. Now, I mean, my only issue with this, it's not really an issue, but basically the numbers are kind of like hidden. So you know what? I want to do this. I have something called, let's go to tower related. I have tower data, and we have these. Yeah, like we have price 1, price 2, price 3. Oh, this is... You know what? I think... Is this a script? I like this idea, but because you can't have custom properties as tables, it's not a very nice way to do this. So I think what I'm going to do is put all the data in one script of every single tower. I think that's what I'm going to do instead of like this. As this is nice, but I mean, I can just do it in script. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, but we'll do that after we get this working. So we have this damage. Wait, I mean, this should work. Now the only thing is when do we call this function? So we want time between attacks. Time between attacks. And this is going to equal... This isn't milliseconds. How about 100? 100 milliseconds. Okay. Let's make it 1 second. Or let's make it okay, half a second. Time between attacks. All right. How do we do this now? We want to call this function every 500 milliseconds if there's an enemy in range. Time since last attack equals 0. Actually, let's default it to whatever this is. If time since last attack is greater than time between attacks, and is that a thing? I think that's a thing. Enemy is in range. Oh. And enemy in range. There's an enemy in the range, and time since last attack is greater than time between attacks. Then we do an attack. Damage enemies in range. Time since last attack, 0. Now the last thing we have to do is time since last attack equals time since last attack plus delta. Can we max it out at, what's the max? Like math dot clamp? Is it clamp? Yeah. So we want to clamp this because we don't want this going like way too high. So if it's greater than or equal to, and we're going to, so this equals this, and we're going to clamp specifically, we're going to clamp this. So this is the number, all right? And the min is 0, and the max is time between attacks. Okay. What does clamp do? It prevents the number from going too high. And we're clamping it between 0 and 500. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. So basically it's checking if the enemy is, if there's an enemy in range, if there is, and you haven't attacked within 500 milliseconds, then it attacks, and it sets time since last attack to 0. But then regardless of this, just every tick, it's adding to time since last attack. Okay. And then to damage, I think this works. Let's try it. Nothing's happening. All right, nothing's happening. My guess is that the zone isn't detecting. The health is updating, right? It might not be. Update health display. Update health display. Text equals current health screen. Current health screen equals current health. Wait, current health equals max. Okay, so current health just isn't being updated, right? Oh, it is. Shit. Current health equals current health plus amount. If amount is less than 0, play this animation. Update health display. I mean, let's check if this is being called at all. Let's check if the change health function is being called. I don't think it is. I hope it's not. Okay, so the change health function is not being called at all. So why not? Because we didn't update the template. All right. Let's try it again. Oh, okay, something happened. Oh, I wanted to put this down here. I think it makes more sense here. Yeah. Error running Lua task. Attempt to index a nil value. Oh. Right, so enemy manager is nil. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. So this, I added. I mean, okay, why is it nil? Can I not access this enemy manager script? Forgot a semicolon? No. No, I just straight up forgot to update it. There is not a tower level 0. No, you place it and it's level 1. How's it going, Cheeky? So the issue right now is that I'm not able to get this enemy manager script, and I don't know why. Wait, where'd my... This is weird. The script that I put in my test tower 2 is gone. Right? Where's my test tower 2 script? Oh. Oh, it's right here. Never mind. Okay. Enemy manager.contact. So this is null. Oh, get custom property. Did I do this wrong? Enemy manager. Is that not spelled right? Get custom property. Why? String property name. And O should be the human. Here, let's print O.name. Let's see what the name of this is. Nice. It should humanoid. Yeah, look, it printed humanoid rig 2, humanoid 2 rig. So this is what we're sensing. Humanoid 2 rig. Wait, I'm not crazy. It's gone again. Oh, no, it's not. I am crazy. It's going well. That's good. What's up with me? I went to the driving range. We went to Dunkin'. We went shopping. I'm printing a Mother's Day gift for my mom. Looking at houses. It's busy. It's busy. So this worked. So we are getting this. Enemy manager equals O get custom property. Is this not enemy manager? Did I spell it wrong? Like, no, I did not spell it wrong. I mean, unless it needs to have a space, but I don't. The custom property is enemy manager without a space, I thought. No, this shouldn't work either. This should have the same exact issue. Yeah. Attempt to index a nil value. Wait a second. Before it said context. Wait, so it was getting it. So it did get it, I think. This is supposed to allow it like doesn't realize it's a script. Which obviously it is. To allow me to change the health amount. Let's try something else. Does this have access to the enemy manager? Let's just get rid of this. And we're just gonna find it. We're just gonna find it the old-fashioned way. It's okay. Now I know for a fact it's gone. Test Tower 2 manager is completely gone. What? Where is my Test Tower 2 manager? It is completely... Okay, this is... Wait, and now it's back. What? I'm so confused. All right, whatever. Let's see. Instead of using the custom property, which I deleted, right? Yeah, it's no longer a custom property. What we're going to do is get the parent. So we found this. Let's get the parent. Local enemy equals o.parent. Enemy manager is now going to be enemy dot not dot colon find. Why isn't it auto fitting? Auto completing. What's up?
Mike wants to do strawberry or regular.
Aw, strawberry is perfect, thanks. Okay. Do array indexes start at 0 in Lua? Tables start at 1. Yeah, table indexes start at 1, believe it or not. Hey, Pillow, what's up? It's going pretty well, thanks. How about you? Okay, so the enemy is o.parent. The enemy manager is enemy find child by name. Enemy manager. And then, okay, I mean, this should work. Find child by name. That's what I did, right? Find child by name. Yeah. I think we're gonna have the same issue though. Oh, I mean, this just immediately failed. Yo, I am super confused. Wait, we don't have the models, damage trigger, or tower manager now. Oh, because I deleted it. Okay. Oh shit, maybe the issue... Okay, I don't know. Hold on. Let's, So what do we need? The models, damage trigger, tower manager. We need the D instance. So it needs models. Damage trigger. Okay. Re-instance update. Okay, and so let's see what happens. Oh my god, it's working. Sort of. Okay, well it dealt damage. And it's never dealing damage again, but you know what? That's okay. Searching for a job. Okay. Hey, if you want to edit videos for me for free, no, I'm kidding. That's not a job. I will give you 100% of the YouTube profit if you. Dude, editing videos is like not fun. Oh, you don't like this song? I got you. Or when did you say that? Oh, it doesn't matter. If I'm learning Java, can I get into Lua? Dude, just learn. Do you know one language? If you know one language, Lua is really easy. Honestly, even if Lua was your first programming language, it would be pretty easy. I don't actually know Java very well, but I know Lua is a lot like Python. I'm not doing it full time. I'm trying to learn, and I'm taking a break from Dreams specifically because like I need to make my streams into YouTube videos, and I'm like 8 videos behind. So like I could keep streaming dreams, and I'm totally okay with that. Like I would enjoy it, but in the back of my mind, I'm like, oh, here's another video I have to make, and well, I don't want to do that. And I like programming; it's fun. So it's a nice little break. But like, yeah, I need to be editing my videos in my free time, but there's just like, there's so much going on right now, dude. It is fun. I really enjoy it. A lot of you guys like it would be a negative for not being able to like sculpt and stuff, but for me it's a positive. So you know how it is. Why? So what's going on? What the hell's going on? This worked, so that's good. Is this working? Time since last attack? Can we print that and just see what the hell's happening? I mean, yes. How about, oh. Let's delete this just so I can actually test this. Oh, that goes up slow. Wait, that's in seconds. Is that in seconds? I thought it was in milliseconds. That's in seconds! Oh, shit! I thought it was milliseconds. Okay. Let's undo the deletion of this. And we're gonna do this. And then what? So time between attacks is 500 seconds. How about 0.5 seconds? How about that? And let's try it now. Oh, it's wait, is it? It's dealing damage to this zombie. It's working. It's working perfectly. Let's delete. I was like, why is the timer resetting? It should. So like if I do this, it should just stick at 5. But it was resetting because it was hitting that zombie. So everything is currently working as I expect. Let's put this here and see what happens. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. Okay, so it's dealing 2. Let's upgrade it. And now it's dealing 4. And if we, oh, we can't upgrade it again. We need more money. Hold on. It's working though, which is really cool. All right, we got more money. So if we upgrade it again, yeah, it's dealing 6 now. Cool. And you can see they're taking, oh wait. Their little hit animations are really funny. But they only play it once. They only play it once. They only play it once because oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, so the way animate towers are looking sick. Shut up. There. I can't even tell if you're being serious or not. The towers are not looking sick. They are completely placeholder. Well, okay, the blade tower is pretty cool, admittedly, but this tower is is literally just the base with a gun on it. The base is cool though. I have it change as you upgrade. The blade actually looks cool. Thanks. One can monetize dreams games if one finds a way to give people product keys. Right, but then what if you put a product key in the comments? Oh, okay, you've already addressed that. But people could share the codes when the time gadget is out. When the time gadget's out, yes. One could make an algorithm to generate codes based on time. I'm not entirely sure how that would work, but Tim, what we want, dude, this is what we need. We need a gadget that reads the player's name. That's it. And then we hard code the product keys in. And it wouldn't be a product key, it would literally be the PSN name, right? So that's what we need. We're not getting that until we get text variables or whatever, string variables. Yeah, the stream didn't lag. That just is insanely laggy. You're never gonna have this much currency on the floor at the same time, though. Dreams plus add string variables. I will shit myself. That would be, dude. Fucking Dreams plus. They need to add string variables. It is. I would honestly say it's the biggest oversight of Dreams. Legit, like it is the biggest oversight of Dreams, dude. If Dreams Plus adds monetization, that would actually, like, that would be pretty cool. I know so many people would hate that, but like that would be pretty cool. For the creators, it would be a big deal. I have no idea if they're even allowed to do that, but yeah, I'm guessing it's going to be a PS5 patch, but it gets so much better because there'd be like an actual incentive to create as opposed to just for the joy of creating. But okay. We need to put back the tower so I can actually work on it again. What's happening? Okay. Test tower 2. So we need the script. I mean, I guess I didn't need to put that back in, but I do not want to print this. And let's see. Animating the tower would be nice, but we'll get to that. Oh, the current problem, guys. So, all right, let me explain what the problem is and how I'm going to fix it. It's a pretty funny problem. Animations only play client side. They do not play on the server, all right? So what I had to do to play animations is as follows. The mesh has a custom networked property. So this is on the server, all right? This is on the server. And on the server, these properties can change. And on the client, I detect when the property changes, specifically the play animation property. It's just a string variable. And what I've done is every time I put a string into this function is called, which plays the animation. It's on the client side, so it actually works. The problem is when I try to play an animation, I put the string in. Great. Then when I try to play the same animation, I put the same string in and nothing changes, so it doesn't get triggered. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to do there. All right, I just got an idea. Let's try it. We're going to the instance, the object. Let's add another custom property called play animation. Oh, wait. Let's rename this one to animation name. And then add again, let's try this again. Add a bool, which is either on or off, called play animation. And we're gonna make this a networked property. So if this is on, it plays it. And then at the end, we turn it back off. If that's even possible. I think it is. It should be. Okay. Or actually, I can just turn it back off when I turn it on. I just turn it on and then right back off? Ooh, I don't know if that's going to work. It might. All right, so I'm not sure. Can this turn off? So network property changed event. Can I, on the client? No, it's one. The client can't change this. Okay. Oh, man. I don't even know if this is going to work. Where do I even change this? Where is this being changed? Is it the enemy manager? Yeah, it is. Set custom networked property. What if... Okay, I just had an idea. So I don't think this Boolean idea is going to work exactly how I want it to. What if... Oh, how do I do this? I can sense when it changes. So what if I just toggle it? Let's try that. When this is toggled... the animation will play. Okay. So there's one more thing I need to do. Oh no. This is animation name, and now we do it one more time. Play animation. Oh, how do we change a bool? Oh, it's just true or false. So, oh, well, how do I toggle it? I guess I could just get the property and do the opposite. I mean, there has to be a better way. This feels weird. There has to be a better way to do this. This isn't that bad, though, honestly. Total equals. Let's get custom property. Play animation. It's either going to be true or false. So let's invert it. I believe. Oh, no, I guess that's. Invert Boolean. How do I? Yeah, is there a way to reverse it? I thought there was. Laserscope pointing at a tag on the target when wire hit position into emitter space scene transform. For the third-person lock-on system. Did it work? Did you get it working? Yeah, you can set tooltips. Yeah, it's cool. It's like a real engine. It is a real engine. It's nice. Yeah, Tim. If they were to do something like that, I would hope you would need to like apply for it or something. The hit animations on the zombie you were saying. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, is it literally just not? Are you kidding me? Oh, shit. All right. So, not. Is that it? Okay. So, toggle. So, we're basically setting it to the opposite. So we're just toggling this. And yeah, again, the idea is every time this gets toggled, it'll play whatever animation is listed here. So I'm connecting to anything, and then play animation, yeah. So this is named the Boolean is named play animation. So if the property that changes is named play animation, then, and I don't even care what it is. Animation name. So the animation name is animation name, animation speed, and then play animation plays the animation at a playback rate of the animation speed. All right, this is perfect. I do like this. If it works, I like how this is. I'm just toggling a Boolean on and off to trigger this. Okay. No custom property named animation name. That's not true because, okay, let's update the template. How about that? How about that? Look at that! Yes! That works perfectly. So toggling the Boolean on or off to trigger it works. Okay, so maybe not. Receive string for parameter, but expected Boolean. Yes. So, yes. Okay, this makes sense. Attack goal. I refactored this. It should be called. It should be so set network custom property. It's animation name. And finally, I also need to toggle this. Okay, and finally, let's make a function to do this. So function play animation animation name animation speed. That's all you need. Oops. Okay. And let's see. So why do speed first? And this is just always the same. All right, cool. So now I made it my own function, right? Play animation, and it does this crap. So that's nice. Then play animation. Unarmed react damage at a speed of 2. And that's all I need. All right. And now it should work. Yep. That's funny. There should be a sound too. And are they doing the punch? Yes, they're doing the punch. So this system works perfectly. Obviously, it can only play one animation at a time, but like that's a limitation already. So the way this is set up is fine. Are you able to do contact damage or only planning for the towers to be AoE? Yeah, I don't know. I think so. But I mean, I'm just gonna be using trigger zones. So I'm just gonna make it a really small trigger zone. But like, yeah, for like shooting things, right? Yeah, Yoshi, good job getting that working. Hey, Frank. Yeah, okay, so only do damage when it hits the blade. Yeah, I was thinking of that. We could try it. That would be pretty cool. Because that was my original idea, and then I didn't. I actually started to do that, but then I was thinking like it would cause issues with like spin speed, but I don't. It probably wouldn't cause issues. Should we try it? I'd like to try it. I mean, literally all we would do, I mean, instead of, and actually it would be better. So if we go to test tower 2, instead of a tick function, it would just be on entered. So we would check if anything entered the trigger zone. That, you know what? I like it. Let's do it. So we have our trigger, and I am going to make it a box, a large box. Looks good to me. And I do want to make it a little bit thinner. Yeah, like that. And now, let's see. Arkizzy1, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. It's good to have the tech. Yeah, I mean, well, it's not that much different. It's a little bit different. Now that I've seen it working the other way, I am very confident we can get it working this way. And it's not using the tick function, which is much better. We're using onEntered, which is an event. Why does core look like Roblox? Believe it or not, a couple Roblox devs, ex-devs, made this. Basically, the whole idea is to be Roblox, but like more mature and just better in general. So if it looks like Roblox, I mean, it kind of is. It's like Roblox 2, honestly. I'm pretty sure the only feature this doesn't have that Roblox does is importing models. Okay, so we have our damage trigger, we have our models, we need to rotate both of these. I'm thinking I just put the damage trigger in the models and just rotate models, but that's not a good idea, is it? I'm not sure if that's a good idea. It's fine. So let's see. How do we do this now? Oh, I still will need the tick function to rotate, but begin overlap event. That's what I want. So we have our damage trigger. And begin overlap event. Trigger and then the object. Okay. So it's going to be called damage enemy instead. It's just going to be called damage enemy. And this takes in the trigger and the object that is detected. Okay. We don't need the for each loop. We're not going through everything this time. Now all we're doing is checking if the object, we just need this basically. So if the object is team 2, we need to object instead, which means it's an enemy. Then basically this is dealing damage. That's it. That's it. But now we don't need this. So we don't need any of this. Enemies in range. No, ooh. We still need enemies in range because if there's enemies in range, we need it to like spin up faster, right? So we actually need 2 triggers. So we have a damage trigger and an in-range trigger. So let's put it in models. Screw it. The in-range trigger is going to be a sphere, obviously. And basically that. We need access to it. Let's update. So now Okay. Prop in range trigger. So instead of this, is enemy in range? Is enemy in range? I just need to check if literally anything is in it, which is what this is doing. There has to be a better way to do this. I mean, I guess it's fine. So instead of the damage trigger, we're checking the in range trigger, and if anything is in it that's team 2, it returns true. So if an enemy is in range, well, we don't do any of this. Instead, we rotate. So how do we rotate? We need to like lerp the. How did I lerp? In the UI somewhere I lerped properly, and I don't remember. Lerping is basically taking one value and smoothing it to another value. Is it under player related? No, it's the edit, tower editing aiming, I think. Yeah, here it is. Okay. So reticle hover is called every tick. All right. So keep in mind, this function is called every single tick. So it's being called over and over. We have animation progress, which is being lerped. I think. Yeah, right here. Oh, right. I'm literally lerping rotation in this. So okay, I understand now. I understand. Basically, if you're hovering something, animation progress is going up. You know what? I'm just gonna take all this. This is very helpful. So let's go. What the heck? Yeah, let's go back into here and function rotate blades. And then we'll change this. Oh, and then we need time between. No. We need rotation speed. Okay. Do we have access to the models? We do. So, is there? Oh crap! Is there like a rotate continuous? Yes. Angular velocity. Interesting. It's a vector 3. So I guess I want it to be. Oh man, maybe I want the quaternion instead. How do I? Oh crap! What the hell's a quaternion? All right, you're Roblox dev. Okay, cool. I am not. So I am not. They should collab to make a Roblox character in Core. I mean, I could make a Roblox character in Core if I wanted to. Oh, that's awesome. There's rotate 2, but I just want rotate continuous. Oh, here we go. Rotate continuous. Rotation speed, number multiplier. Rotate to continuous, rotation speed. So I guess there's a bunch of different things I can do. I hope this just rotates the right way, but I have a feeling it won't. But it might. But anyway, we'll deal with that later. So, rotate blades. Okay. No, don't want that. Local size. I don't care about the size. This is rotation start, rotation end. What did this do? Where did I use this? Did I use this at all? What is this? What is going on here? Why do I have these variables? I literally don't need these. Okay, I don't know why I had those. That's super confusing. Let's go back to this. So I don't need those either, I guess. Okay, so if you're hovering something, then make it go up, and then else make it go down. No. If enemy is in range, if enemy is in range, make it go up. Make the rotation speed go up. So this should be rotation speed. And oops, oh my gosh. What the hell? Okay. Okay. And we're clamping, and the max so it's from 0 to 1. Let's do 0 to 100. I don't know. And let's make it go up by 1 at a time and down by 1 at a time. Or actually, let's make it go up by 5 and down by 1. I want it to slow down slower than it speeds up, basically. And I could change this too, but it's fine. So now, if the enemy is in range, rotation speed goes up. If it's not, rotation speed goes down. Now, I need to just lerp rotation speed, I think. Wait, is this right? No. Sorry, not rotation speed. Wait. Oh, God. I don't need to lerp anything. I don't think I need to lerp anything. What is this? What is 30? Oh, is this the min? This is the max. This is the progress. I don't think I need to lerp. I think literally this is all I need. So that's great, I guess. Let's overcomplicate everything. So now what? I want to take the models and I want to rotate continuously. Wait, but I don't even want to rotate continuously because I'm calling this function every tick. Oh, this is so good. So, hold on. Can I change it? So this is rotate continuous. I mean, I might as well just set the rotation manually. But I don't think I want to do that. I guess rotate. This is fine. This is fine. So prop models rotate continuous, and then I'm just going to put the rotation speed. So I'm going to be continuously changing this number, but it's still going to be continuously rotating. Hopefully. I mean, this should work, right? Okay. It did not work at all. That's fine, though. Why not? Did I not? I bet you I didn't call this function. Yeah, I didn't call this function. Okay. So we're just calling it every single tick. Okay, that's what I expected. Function called with oh. Okay. What did it expect? Rotation speed? Can we like see an example of this? Please, God. What is a rotation speed? Oh my God, please. Please. Yes, yes, yes! Wait, no! No! I want to continue. I want continuous. Oh, here. Here it is! What is a rotation? What does that even mean? I don't freaking know. All right. Let's try it. Rotate continuous, rotation.new, I guess, 0020. I think this is XYZ, maybe? So X, Y. X, Y, Z. I don't know. Let's just plop it into one of them and see what happens. Nothing happened. Wait. Is it moving? Am I crazy? I don't think it's moving. Wait, but why isn't it moving? Okay, at least it sort of worked. I just don't understand why. Oh, did I make the min 0? I'm clamping it from 0 to 100. Ah, okay. I want to clamp it from 5, but 100 was really low. This is not as fast as I want, but. And now it speeds up. Okay, it's working. It's working. So that was X, I guess. Let's try Z. Yep, this is right. Here we go. It's pretty cool. The ankle breaker. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. How about 1,000? This might be too fast. That was weird. Still, I mean, I guess it's not slow considering that the DPS is directly related to its rotation speed, but it like immediately decelerated. Can we do like 0.1, I guess? Yeah, it's doing that every tick, so. Wow, it slows down really fast. I don't know, I just kind of want to like keep doubling the speed. See what happens. That looks great, thanks. You can keep pressing Control D. Wait, this isn't any faster. Wait a second. What's going on here? Why did my music stop? What the heck? It didn't auto loop. Oh, it was just muted. Okay, why? Why is it so slow? Okay, like just as a test, can I just do this and see if it even works at all? Like it should just be. That's faster. That is faster. So what the hell's going on? Maybe the difference between 1,000 and 2,000. Let's try 10,000. Right? Like, I just want it to be like fast right now, just to see what that looks like. Okay, so I guess it's stopping. And I know why it's stopping too. It's because of this dumb zone. Let's change it. So let's de-instance, and the in-range trigger is just straight up too small. Let's do that. Okay, this is just not working. So now I'm really confused. Rick, what the hell, dude? No. What is wrong with you? How old are you? Like, what what are you talking about? Make it a 3D print and it's coming out pretty well. Yeah, print out the rotation speed. We can try it. It might be the rotate continuous function that's messing up. I don't think it is though. It's like every time. There were clearly things in its range, like clearly. I don't know. Well, the thing, it's like rotating all the way. Not even all the way, it's rotating and then stopping. Yeah, let's print something. I don't know. It's like the rotation. Yeah, let's print the, let's print the rotation speed. See what we get. Okay, so that's an issue. Huh. Maybe I don't fully understand this function. I mean, of course I don't. Dude, I don't think I should be calling this so much. I don't think I should be calling it over and over and over. That's the issue. Thanks, Bask. I want to call it once, but I want to continue. The problem is I want to continuously change its speed. That's the issue. So I think I almost want rotate 2, and then I just want to change the rotation position. Or angle or whatever. This is like you'd think it would be really easy to do this. We just want it to, the rotation to accelerate. If you change it to a bigger difference of rotation, it will spin faster. Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, this, because it's a transition time. That's kind of weird. I mean, rotate continuous should only be called when an enemy like first gets in the range. Like, if I just do this, if I just call this one time, like just as a test, and I do 5,000, it's going to just immediately, yeah, it's going to immediately start rotating really fast, which is fine. How do I make this accelerate? There's rotate continuous number multiplier? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. The fuck? Is that what I want? So it's a rotation vector. That's cool. Are you saying like I would take a rotate 90 and just keep adding it together basically? That's interesting. I'm curious. I might have just discovered what I wanted though. So let's try this. So let's just set the rotation speed to 100. And then the multiplier is what I want to change, maybe? No. Oh. Wait. Wait, that's actually what I wanted. Holy shit. All right. So let's go 10. Or let's go 5. Just arbitrary. And then it goes from... not even just 1. Let's try that. Yes. Yes, that's perfect. I love it. That's perfect. And then it's never going to slow down. All right. Does it decelerate? Yes, it decelerates. I can't prove it because the enemies never stop. So let's do something to combat that. I don't know. This is super hacky right now. This is whatever. Local zombies left to spawn equals 10. Do you know Lua or like at all? Have you used it before? Oh, cool. Wait, what is that? Computer craft? Okay, now it should only spawn 10, hopefully. All right, let's stop printing this, please. What the hell am I printing? Oh. Might as well refactor this so it's like actually correct. Oh. This hit animation is so good. Am I crazy or is it decelerating? Okay, I think it's decelerating, but let's subtract by 1 instead of 0.1. And the reason yeah, okay. Anyway, hey Hendrik. How did I get code experience or a pillow? Me personally, I mean, college, right? And then work, I guess. Am I crazy? Is this decelerating? It is, right? Yes, it is. Okay, wow, it's just so slow that I'm going insane. That definitely decelerated. So maybe we do -3. I don't know why it goes up so fast, but down. I mean, I guess it went down 5 times as slow, so fair enough. But yeah, so basically doing my own stuff, like, well, college, but then my own projects. That 3, yeah, that's so much better. All right. Cool. And now we try to break it. So I don't know what I'm doing, I'm sorry. All right, let's try that again. Oh God. This is so dumb. This is so dumb, man. It just, it looks so good though. Like, I know you guys complain about it looking like Fortnite or whatever, but oh, I ran out of money. That's why I couldn't place anymore. They're just like twitching. I like it though. I like how there's feedback when it deals damage. All right. Start with 1 blade. That triggers me kind of, because it would be so off balance. You know, upgrade the 2. I don't know. It just like, it triggers me really hard because I know personally it would like shake so violently if that was. But you're right. Like the blade upgrades add a counterweight. That's not a bad idea, actually. That's actually a really good idea. Holy shit. Is this game gonna have a medieval theme like Dungeon Defenders? So you're right to assume it's inspired by Dungeon Defenders. Will it have a medieval theme? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. You know what? Maybe that. You know what? That's a cool idea. Okay, what if the lower level towers, right, like unupgraded, were like medieval, kind of like primitive, and then as you upgraded them, they got like robotic and stuff. Right now, the only thing that changes is the base and this number right here. As you upgrade. So yeah. But as you can see, the selling and the buying work, which is important, and the upgrading. I think I need to have like the range. The towers need to have like a visual indicator of the range. A better targeting system for upgrading. Like what though? I mean, I like what I have. Like you hover at the base and then you click on it. What would you highlight what you're looking at? I agree with that. Yeah. How do I highlight it though? So I don't even know. Is there I'm not even sure if there's a material. It would be very cool to be able to highlight this, but as far as I know, you can't change. Well, actually, I do know that you can't change materials on the fly. A list of them all. I mean, I kind of like how you have to run around, but it would be very nice to know like specifically which one you're clicking on. I completely agree. I could have like a glowing ring under it, and that's what I did have at one point actually. Hey Timmy Johns, what's up? You're downloading this game? Cool. Does it have a game building engine in it? That is what Core is. So Core is it's pretty much a game engine. That's what it is. Yeah, there's a bunch of particle effects and stuff. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, what if I just display a particle effect above it? That's a good idea. But yeah, so Timmy, it's a game engine, and it's also you can play the games that are made in the engine. Coming from Epic, yeah. Think like if you've ever heard of Roblox or Dreams or something, or Project Spark. Any good games? Yes, that's. I'm glad you asked. So, you know what? Let me actually save. Timmy Johns TV. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Okay, let me try to. Okay. Wow, man, this is a big commit. Enemies take damage. No, actually, that's it. Blade Tower deals damage. And I'm sure there's other stuff, but yeah, it's cool. Like the entire game is basically text files. So it's really easy to save to GitHub. There are 2 games right now that I've seen that I'm very, very impressed with. One is, and they're by the same guy too. There's more than 2 games, but these 2 games are not by the Manticore team, which is Manticore Games. That's who developed Core. I'm not counting their games because of course their games are going to be fantastic, and these are all their games actually. Games by Manticore. Actually, whatever. Oh wow, there's a lot. They made a Fortnite clone too, but anyway, it's mini golf and Snake. Now I know what you're thinking, but that's not creative in any way. Well, let me show you. Hey Dendy, did I give up on Dreams? No, I'm taking a little Dreams break, and part of the reason, not the entire reason, but part of the reason is hold on, there's music. Yeah. Part of the reason is that I want to make my streams of Dreams into YouTube videos, and every stream I do is another YouTube video I want to make, and I'm finding it hard to find the hours to edit videos. A lot is going on right now, in my life. So I just don't want to like set myself behind, which is basically what I do every stream I do of Dreams. So, and then there's Core, and I'm really enjoying it. It's really nice to be able to do real programming. So this is not like your normal mini golf. It's like multiplayer competitive mini golf. Like physics based. Well, of course it's physics based, but it's like a lot of, oh my God. It's like aerial, right? It's 3D. Why am I going so fast? Okay, there we go. Golf with your friends clone. If that's what this is, I don't know. So I'm not saying this is an original game per se, but I'm sure it's a clone of something. But it's cool. Yeah, the way multiplayer is handled in Core is really neat. You have a lot of control over it. But like you have to do it right. What a name. Wow. Come on. Let me go. Oh, I got pushed. Slow down. No, slow down. Okay. Oh my God, I suck, man. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I suck. What? I hit the pole. I wish there was a button where I could like instantly respawn. There we go. What's wrong with it? For me, it's silky smooth. If the frame rate is low, it's because my computer can't handle streaming it. So sorry about that. Is multiplayer still coming to Dreams? Yeah, it is. By the way, I'll let you know if the frame rate drops on my side. We don't know when. We don't know how long it's gonna take. They're hiring people for it, so I don't know. Look, like, I have no idea how they're gonna do it because there's so much in Dreams. Like, I don't know. Unless they set it up like Core, where they give you servers and there's client stuff and oh shit. Okay, I almost got a hole in one. There's client stuff and a server stuff, and you have to like do real game dev, but there's no way in hell they're actually going to do that. So they basically, it's going to be peer-to-peer probably, and everything's going to have to just work. And I have no idea, like, it's just insane how hard it's going to be to do that. So let's hope Dreams Plus gives us a ton of new features. Yeah, let's hope. But yeah, so this is that game, and there's one more by the same guy who I'm this is, I'd say, even more impressive than the golf one. Oh, we got a cat behind me. So this is Snake. It's Snake.io with power-ups, and you can jump. And you can touch your own tail, and I'm pretty sure you could do that in Snake.io as well. But it's basically Snake.io, but 3D. Guys, I'm serious, like, this is really impressive. And it's actually really fun. Does this guy stream? I don't know. Probably, maybe. But for this game specifically, it was one guy doing the programming and then one guy did the environmental art. Yeah, I know, right? Like, I'm curious how he has so many networked like pickups, because I did something very similar to this actually, and I mean, I'm assuming these pickups are networked. They might not be actually, but they actually might not be. These little Apple things, they might not be networked. I don't know. Oh, let's use this. But yeah, the frame rate is silky, by the way. Let's try to kill him. Oh, God. Oh, I didn't even notice that. You're completely right, dude. They're only spawning around me. I didn't even notice that. Wow. I mean, you know what? I guess it's easier to notice that if you're not actively playing. Hey, you mad? I don't know what that command is supposed to mean, but you should be able to see... Oh yeah, uptime, yeah. You should be able to see the uptime under the stream. How's it going? We were developing, but Pillow, someone, I don't remember who it was, I think it was Pillow, asked me if there were any good games. Yeah, it was Pillow. So I'm showing him this one. So I could probably keep going for a while, so let's try to... Oh, and here's another power-up, Dig. So in addition to jump, you could go underground. All right, let's try to kill this guy just because. I want to find Felix. Oh, this guy's third place. Oh, you can do this too, which is cool. Oh, he killed himself. Cool. Not sure why he did that, but fair enough. So yeah, this guy's going crazy. Holy shit. So yeah, we figured out the apple things are not networked and they only spawn around you, which is really interesting, actually. What is networked, the pickups that are networked, is this little power-up bubble, which I will get. And the snakes, when you die, as you saw, they drop their body parts, and the body parts are networked, it seems. Oh, and this coin is also networked. So he's really limited the amount of network things, which is what you need to do in a game like this. I just died. Yeah. All right, but so that's the snake game. I am not still in college. I've been out for about a year and a half. I could show you, and let me show you this game now. So this is made by the Manticore team, and I mean, it's like really good, actually. Is the player base large in general? I don't know. I mean, I know the top games have like hundreds of thousands of plays, and the popular multiplayer games have people playing them. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna see the frame rate in the stream it's really bad. You know, let me fix that for you. For me, it's fine, by the way, but. All right, now it should be what, yeah, so now you guys see exactly what I'm seeing. What am I doing? Is that an enemy? this is not. But I mean, it's basically COD. They basically made COD, so. Okay, well. Oh, you've seen this one? This one's lagging on stream? Yeah, hopefully it's not laggy anymore. Without multiplayer, this is completely possible to recreate dreams. Oh yeah, of course. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I completely agree. There's no monetization, which there is in the Snake game. Actually, I'm gonna go back in just so I can show you it. And there's no multiplayer. But yeah, Dreams can do, yeah. The only thing Dreams can't do is change string variables on the fly. Alright, ow. Okay. Let me show you the monetization though. And it's done, I think it's done very well in the Snake game. Yep, money, I like it, me too. So I need to die on purpose. And don't forget to remind me to put the graphics back up. Okay, I want that coin. Okay, now, can we die on purpose? Yeah, I took myself out. All right. Skins. So check this out. You have different skins, and you need to buy them with coins. And to buy coins, you spend, they're called, in core, they're called perks. And so 100 perks for 1,000 coins, 348 for 4,000, and 640 for 8,000. So select perk, buy 4,000 coins. Cost is this. So the cost is credits. Excuse me. So yeah. Anyway, buy credits. And so 400 credits is $5 basically, which I think is kind of a lot. But I mean, he could just charge less, you know. So yeah, I mean that's it. And then I could pay for it, and then I could get coins, and then I could buy really, really cool skins. And this guy did a fantastic job with the skins. Like, I mean, look at this. How do you not spend money for this? No, but yeah. So projectile. Oh, there's only one. All right. Oh yeah, I mean, you can customize the pellets you pick up. No one else sees it, but yeah. So, you know. Yeah, he was straight up making an MMO. Now, obviously, like, the servers can only hold 16 people, so I mean, it's not like an MMO, but it kind of is, which is cool. He had quests. He had it was basically an MMO, but the server size max was 16. Like, I don't. Like, what even is an MMO? It's a game with servers that you play with other people, with quests and leveling up and shit. Like, so yeah, I mean, he straight up made an MMO. You can't do MMOs with peer-to-peer. I guess you could, but not really. With servers though, it makes sense. But the only thing with core is, like, you can't actually see the servers that the game is playing on, and you can't join specific servers. If you could, that would be very cool. Yeah, peer-to-peer MMO. I'm listening. Yeah, no, I don't think that's a thing. I'm not super sure though. Okay, so let's see. Let's make our graphics higher again. Maybe we go high instead of ultra, just so the stream runs faster. And music. What were we doing? Okay, so we made it so our tower spins, yeah, damages people. That's really cool. I like that. It looks good too. So, I mean, this isn't really... Let's lower the skeleton enemy's health. Maybe to, like, 50? I don't know. Just so we can actually kill them. And I already have... Oh, wait, I actually don't have logic in here to kill them. I don't think they die at 0 health. Yeah, they have negative health. Okay. Yeah. I do have logic in it to drop currency when they die, but I forgot to kill them, I guess. So, I mean, I guess the only time they'll die is when the health changes, right? Is there a death animation? I think there is. Unarmed death. Unarmed death. Unarmed death. Enemy manager. Okay, so I want a function called killed. And first we play unarmed death at 1 speed is fine. We wait for the animation to finish a little bit. Maybe 2 seconds. I don't know how long the animation takes. I wish I could access, like, the trigger, like, when it dies, but I don't think I can. At least not easily. So it's easier just to do this. And then spawn currency. And then destroy. And now we can get rid of this and play this. So when it gets to the goal, I want it to die. I may change that, but right now, that's what I'm doing. So when it attacks the goal, for example, it punches it, it waits, because that's how long the punch takes. Actually, that's not how long the punch takes. Can we do like 0.6? And then call killed. And then killed plays the unarmed death animation, spawns currency, and destroys. Okay, cool. Now, every time the health changes, if... I need to clamp the current health. 1 second. Math.clamp, I think. That's not right. Core math. Excuse me. Core math clamp. We're clamping this number. The min is 0. The max, I don't know. Just, I don't know. Maybe like, oh, I mean, I guess. Oh wait, don't they have a max health? Don't skeletons have like? Oh, they do have a max health. Okay, so let's get the max health then. My bad. So obviously it can't go over the max health. Okay. So again, if current health, so now we just need to check if it's equal to 0. So if it equals 0, then what? We are killing it, right? Killed, because that's what happens when health is equal to 0. Now the problem with this is that during killed, I don't want anything else to work, right? So for example, change health. Shouldn't work. So local is killed equals false. Or maybe is alive. Alive equals true, right? If you're killed, alive equals false. If alive, if not alive, then return. So if it's not alive, you can't change the health anymore, right? Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let's try to kill him. So we're going to place one. I wish I could see the range, but it's fine. And we're gonna upgrade it. Okay, so something's not working. Okay, this is weird. It's like, what the hell is happening? It needs to stop moving. Where is the path following? Where is that happening? Move to next node. Follow. Look at continuous. We need to, so if not alive, obviously don't do this. But also, when you're killed, you need to stop. Is there like a stop? Okay, there is. That's helpful. Stop move. How? Enemy, stop move. That was easy. Let's try that again. upgrade. Okay, so it actually kills. Oh, it worked! Oh my god, it worked! Oh, and he gets back up. Okay. Bad argument. What's going on here? Help? No, but like, where is it calling that? Oh shit! Oh shit! It's calling it here. Spawning currency isn't working. Yeah, multiple paths. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Similar to Dungeon Defender. Yep, that's a great question. Bitcoin is technically a peer-to-peer MMO. What the hell? That's funny. I'm just checking out my print. It's looking really good. That's a good question too, Pillow. I'm not sure. Yeah, you know what? Maybe. Abilities, maybe. Attacks? I don't want players to have a basic attack. I don't know. I mean, it's good to give them something to do though, because like just sitting and watching isn't super engaging. And that's a problem my games have had in the past. Where like you just sit there and watch it, right? It's not really engaging. It's fun to watch it, but Abelites? Abelites? Okay. What's happening here? This isn't working. Prop currency spawn position. Get world position. This is not working because am I destroying too soon? I mean, okay, let's try this. I feel like I'm destroying too soon. Let's try this. No idea if this is gonna work. No. And then he gets back up. He's not even getting destroyed. What the hell? This is not the issue. The issue is so it's calling that function here in spawn currency, and it's passing in the prop currency spawn position, get world position. It's passing in that. That is right here, which is just like at its feet, basically. Do I need to? Okay, wait. What if I do that? I'm not sure if this... I mean, I pressed the update. I have no idea if that's going to help. Might. No. Right when it tries to spawn the currency. Right when it tries to spawn the currency. So when it's killed. This is where it's failing. What does stop move do? Does that break it? It just stops it from moving. Like that. Number has no integer representation. Bad argument number 1 to random. Oh, wait. That's not what I thought it was. Math.random. X minus offset. What's the offset? Spread divided by 2. It needs to be an integer? Oh. Wait, but... I made this function just to, like, spawn the things... Hold on. 300 divided by 2 is 150, so I don't know what the hell's going on. Okay, you know what? Screw it. I'm not even gonna divide it by 2. I don't care. Does it work now? Like, I don't know. We'll find out. If that was no, there's no way that was the issue. Because it would have happened. What does that mean? Number has no integer representation. Okay, so it must be... That wasn't the issue. It must be old vector doesn't even exist. Like, this isn't even a thing. What if I got rid of... What if I got rid of these weights and just... This is really frustrating. Because I don't really know what the hell the issue is. Okay, now... Okay, we're gonna print this. I highly doubt this is going to work, but let's find out. Okay, I take it back. It did work. Negative 90. The y is negative 2. Oh my god. All right. Oh my god, wait. When it dies... You know what, never mind. I don't know what's going on. Is it just too negative? It's like, it needs to be an integer or whatever? Okay. I don't know why that wasn't an issue when it dies over there, but... Are you fucking kidding me? So now it works? Seriously? That was the entire issue. Are you... Why wasn't I running into that earlier? I don't even... Whatever. Hey, ooh, Dead Inside? Nice. Nice name. Nice name. That's one of the best names I've seen in a while. Must have been perfectly positioned. It must... I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. They get back up for a second. So I guess 2. Nice. Wait. Would those have kept spinning as long as I didn't pick up the coins? Or maybe... I mean, they obviously don't spin when I'm there, because they would have been spinning. I need to make the coins, like, more visually appealing. They slow down way too slow. It's close though. It's looking good though. It's actually working, which is cool. How's Natalie? It's already 8. Yeah, 11. Yeah. I don't know. She's studying hard, I guess. Natalie, how are you doing? Natalie, how's it going? Okay, she can't even hear me, so. Good sign for the stream. Oh, the Chinese rocket that's crashing? Oh no. Oh yeah, like at a random spot in the yeah. I've vaguely heard of it. Let's think about this. I'm starting to, okay, wait, I just realized something. The currency pickup. The entire thing's networked, right? Wait, trigger start pickup, resource pickup. Yeah, this thing. This. Oh, it already is client. Oh, never mind. All right. Yeah, it's networked, right? The pickup is networked, but the visuals and the effects are client side. So never mind. I was gonna just do that, but it already is. All right, what else can we do? We could add hit sounds, right? Which is important, I would say. So how do we do that? Would that be on the skeleton enemy? I think it would be cool to like spawn the sound in at the hit location. It's in the ocean? That's good. That's good. This is awesome. All right. Hey, babe. So you in the bed soon?
I'm going to bed right now.
Right now. All right.
Right now.
It just crashed into the ocean? All right. That's good, I guess. The Chinese plane spaceship thing.
No, I kept seeing TikToks that were like, oh, I hope it crashes into me and I die.
What? That's horrible. How do we add a sound to this? Oh. Player sounds, body impacts, bullet body impact. What about like sword? Bone crack, player body hit crack, player body hit. Player. Oh, God. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. This one is, yes. Bam. Okay. So... I want this to play every time. Yo, every time they get hit. McYager, thank you so much for the sub, man. I appreciate it. You made it to a year. Hell yeah. 12 months. Damn. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I promise when I get expendable income, I will sub to all the Dream streamers. I promise. But in the meantime, yeah, I really appreciate it, dude. What? Okay. So we have this sound. I don't mind putting it here. Audio. Play. That's exactly what we want. All right. If animation name is specifically the one that is getting the hit, right? Is there a better way to do this? We have. It's just I know from the enemy manager I can't play sounds. Oh, but wait, I can spawn them in. That's what I want to do. Okay, so I want this to be outside of it. New group, hit effect. So we have this, and I mean, is there like a blood splatter thing? Maybe we could spawn that. But let's not worry about that yet. Hit sound effect. And it's this. We want to autoplay. Okay. And can we make it in the world? Yeah, okay, it already is. Perfect. So now I want to make this a template. And this template, I can now spawn in from the server. I hope. Oh, but first, I want to put this. So, I want to put this in the client. Instance. Okay, so now it's in the client. I think yes. Let's update. So the enemy manager. Now I need access to that sound effect. So let's do that. Although, should the enemy manager really be playing the sound effect? Shouldn't that be the animation handler? But it's on the client, and the client doesn't have access to when it takes damage. I think it's fine for now. You wish you'll be as patient as me? That's funny. You gotta head out? Alright, I'll see you later, Philo. Have a good night. Okay, so here's the sound effect. I just need to emit it. I know, babe. World.spot. Yeah, right here. So here's the change health. If amount is less, if the amount is negative, right? If the amount is less than 0, then so here's play animation function play hit hit sound, I guess. Yeah. And we're going to where did it fall? He threw his mouse off the bed? Oh my god, it's 5 a.m. Have a good night, dude. Go to bed. Holy shit. There was an emergency. So play, okay, so when this function's called play hit sound, we spawn the prop hit sound effect asset at the position which is this. But no, we want the enemy's position, basically. Yeah. There. Enemy get world position. Alright. So now we call the play hit sound function when... So if the amount that the health is changing is negative, then we play the hit sound. And then we could play a death sound, too. But we can do that later. Yeah, I like this though. I like this. Will this work? I think so. Oh, one more thing. Hit sound effect. We need to set the lifespan to 1 second so it actually gets destroyed. All right. I think it'll work. Oh. What? On a static object. Oh, this needs to be networked. My bad. So de-instance, enable networking. Now keep in mind this is still the client. And then update template. All right. Now I think it'll work. Oh, it didn't work. Babe, I know. Accepted string received nil. It received nil. What? String tail. Prop hit sound effect was nil? Prop hit sound effect. What? Hit sound effect. It's this. It's literally this. What is going on? Come on, is this really not working? What is going on? I should be able to spawn something. What the hell is going on? I'm doing it right here. Currency pickup. Is that? Did I do that wrong? Currency pickup. It's networked. Currency pickup. Networked. What the hell did I do? I think that's what I did wrong. I hope. I think I didn't drag it in properly. This is so weird. Alright. Well, have fun making games. See you later. Yeah, thanks, dude. I'll see you later. Oh, you're probably gone. It's been 5 minutes, but... I mean, it might be, this might be the issue. Expected string received nil. No. This is the issue. Prop hit sound effect. What the heck? Oh, wait. Is it because... Do I need to update the template from this? Is that... Oh, maybe that's the issue. Hey, Natalie, I know. I thought I had 10 minutes. What the hell? So why are you yelling at me? Is it working now? I mean, I feel like I should be able to hear the sound. Wait, I think it was working. It just wasn't spawning the sound in the right place. Position equal. Let's put it. Prop currency spawn position. Yes. Yes, I think it's working. I think it'll work. Here we go. I'm just kind of confused, like, the sound is only playing, like, in a certain spot, which is really weird. What the hell? Oh. Wait, now they're not even getting hit? They're not even playing the animation? And why is this missing object? Or why is this red? Yeah, wait, what the hell happened? Maybe that's... What the hell? What is going on? Oh my god. What? I literally don't know. I'm unable to... This is really weird. Alright, I'll have to figure this out later. I don't know why I can't set these. I have no idea. How hard do you think it would be to go from Java to Lua? I think it's really easy. You shouldn't... If you already know a language, you shouldn't have any issues. Alright, I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna get off now. So anyone straight... I haven't rated Liz in a long time. She's making something crazy in Dreams. We're gonna raid Liz Lady. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I know it's not Dreams, but we're making progress. We definitely are making progress. I wish I knew what was going on with this, but look, spawning a sound at a position should not be that difficult. So I will figure that out. But yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Have a good night. Happy Mother's Day, by the way, tomorrow.